I'm mad at myself for giving that dog back, sort of, but I'm also happy I did. You're fucking SKS. You don't need it, bitch. Jeez. Shit. Ace 52. There's still only 4 of it. That was a good shot. Oh, what the fuck? Excuse me, sir.
Let's go!
I just got that dude's head pretty damn quick. That was a good. Careful on those stairs. AK-74 SU M250. Take that motherfucker. It's mine now. I got fucking 4 box mags.
What he said. Keep crushing it. Hey, you're the MVP.
You get enough ammo? Come to the one. We should play that one hunting game some more. Whichever one you have. I got 2 of them. Oh, the good one. The good one. I don't know. I had to figure it out. Fair enough. You went the wrong way, so you know. Okay. I looked at you, you was running the complete opposite way of Jay, but sure. I got your home skillet. Yeah, so my missile, I hit him a little bit, but jeez, much better been exploded, I assure you. WCX. Got it, man. What about this one? M4A1? What about that guy right there? That's crazy. We should probably just stay the fuck over here. I don't know if I want to get it. So. I ain't trying. Well, it's still that way anyway. Holy shit, I'm glad we didn't stay over there. SK12. What the what? Alright. Alright.
You alright, man? Is he okay? You're right. Look at this spot. Well, one part too small right now.
This is the house we're usually in.
Cover me, goddammit! Down on the ground, do it! Fuck you!
He's not even.
Wait, hang on!
I want Braun Breaker.
Well, you got it. In the bill.
Achieve a level of peace, at least a level of understanding between Raw and Scott. Ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about the upcoming weekend in WWE Saturday Night Sports AAA. Corey Jones will be there. And then format will both be in Turin, Italy on Sunday. We're actually in Italy. Now, here's the programming schedule. We get away in the United States at 12 p.m. Eastern, 9 o'clock on the West Coast. That would be on Stage 4.
Perfect. I'm glad nothing loaded for you, I guess. That's mean. Yeah, this is VHS too. I am. Come on, helicopter. Actually, took me off a little bit. That was my first death. What was he shooting at? I was on the top, teammates was underneath. There's nobody there for it to shoot at because I killed everybody. That's like 7 kills. Where, bitch? Me? The teammates? It's the wrong people. That gun I had fucking drum mags for some reason on it. M240B with drum mags. I can't do the 50 cover, it's just fucking blasting through that wall. I'm gonna tell home skillet to move. against like adobe walls made out of dirt or plaster. It's still thick as shit. You ain't gonna see nobody through that shit. GG, guys. Yeah. That is for sure. They say affirmative apparently. Are they on console or what? Figures. The only reason I did because it's a fucking cheating ass game. I just had to reload my gun and have full mag. I was ready to go. Man, fucking